Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I learned something today from somebody that thinks they've learned stuff from me. I don't push ECUTS, but I have ECUTS, and I love it. It does a lot. But the other day I was trying to make a video on putting 4-inch squares with numbers in them, and ECUTS will do it. I don't have all the bugs out yet. I don't know 100%, but I'm going to go with what I've learned just tonight by watching his video, and I thank him very much for making the video and post it on my Facebook page. But we're just going to open up variables that I've never even used. And I created a database just called Numbers Doug. I just did 1 through 25. And this is what I learned from him, and I've still got some bugs, and you'll see here in just a second. So you grab the shape and assign the shape. But first of all, you need to go up here and go to the gaps and make sure they're set for 0, 0. I've got something off in the center between this. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but we're going to go with what I know. And if I figure it out, I'll make a second video, as you know I will. So you have to click on the column as you click on there and then assign the shape. And then click on the whole thing and hit apply. Look at that. In that short a time, now they're not in the center. They're in the center left and right, but they're not in the center up and down. So I need to figure that out. And I'm also going to make another video tonight, what he also taught me, that, you know, the reason I wouldn't like to do this because the laser is going to cut out all four lines of each block. So it's going to double cut these interior lines. Well, ECUTS has a way to get rid of that too. So stay tuned for part 2 and many more on this subject maybe. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.